Good morning. This is the National Weather Service in Binghamton, New York for this updated briefing concerning the severe weather threat across central New York and northeast Pennsylvania later today, Saturday, June 11th. There are a few changes since the last briefing. The threat for severe weather still exists today across the entire forecast area. However, this highest risk area shifted slightly to the south, encompassing basically the Twin Tiers and Catskills regions and points to the south. There's an area of showers and storms moving through this morning, weakening. Not expected to be severe, however, in the afternoon and evening hours as we destabilize. This will be the prime time for our severe weather threat. The primary impacts today from these storms will be mainly during the afternoon and evening hours will be for damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. There's also a threat for large hail and isolated tornadoes as well. However, the main threat that we're keeping an eye on is for damaging winds. Here's a map of the updated severe weather outlook from this morning. The slight risk area shifted further to the south, while areas to the north and west are still in a marginal risk for severe weather. What does slight risk mean? We're looking at generally scattered severe storms possible. The storms will generally be short-lived, not widespread, with isolated intense storms possible. Again, we're looking at damaging winds being the main threat, with a secondary threat of hail and tornadoes. Again, we're looking at showers and storms to move through this morning. This morning's weather is not expected to be severe. However, a few storms may pulse up and produce small hail and lightning and gusty winds. The main threat will be for this afternoon and this evening for severe weather as the convection redevelops. Damaging winds is the primary threat. However, the environment is also favorable for large hail and isolated tornadoes as well, so you can't rule those out. What can you do now? You can monitor the forecast and understand how you're going to get your weather information and to stay up to date and know how to take shelter and where to take shelter if you need to, if a storm does threaten you. Remember to stay up to date, stay informed, and be prepared for any severe weather that may occur today. You can use our mobile site. You can find us on the internet. You can also find us on social media at NWS Binghamton.